for it. Now I'm going to go ahead and just waste one of these. These are 2x12s and they're fresh cut. They're not like rotten or anything. I didn't read the foot-pounds on there because I was laughing at the shrapnel flying out the back. So this one's one of the 299s that has a skirt on the back, like literally about a 2mm skirt. 427.2, 427.2 meters a second, 427.2. That's a really, I should have put two of these 2x12s together. Here, I'll just hit that other one now. Now it drops down to 267 meters a second, 267. So it does kind of make me wonder about those outliers. Like, I mean, I did fill it up, albeit a little bit maybe higher than the 30 slightly, just ever so slightly, just because of the gauge. But let's just go ahead and see what happens again here. Now that was 272 meters a second. So I'll go ahead and air this up. $270.6, and so at 25 MPa it's not quite bringing the game, but I mean that's really is a lot of foot-pounds still. Let's just see if I can't pop a hole through it though. There, that actually went through. Unless I nicked the side of it, I can't tell. One of these times I'll get around to learning how to set profiles up, but I have so many different ammos I test with this. 227. Ooh, there's a tough fitting one. There's one of those 300s by accident. In fact, I better just air this up. This is a 300, and there's an example as to why I am learning my time is worth putting it down to a 299 instead. And come on now, there we go. I just need to get that to fit in. Sure, people can throw in an office joke there or whatever. But anyhow, now where's that block of wood? There's one. Let's see here. Whoops, not good enough. Okay. $284.